Hello, Steve and Russ. Yeah, here's what we got. So we got your machine together. Let me kind of quick overview of what we've changed. First thing is the dancer for the braking system. We now moved to this side of the web clamp. So it used to be over here on this side. Reason we changed it is when you're threading up a new roll, you no longer have to go through that dancer. Shortens up the web path up to the splice table. So you're just wasting less material. So we moved that over to this side, ran some tests, no issues there. It just kind of worked out better over here. So nothing up here has changed. Everything is still the same with the intercon and the lamination tower. We are going to ship this lamination tower. It's going to be off of the pallet. So when we get there, we can just put it back up on top. This goes through. No real changes down here. Here's your air switches for your Venturi. Your Venturi pieces actually fit right onto this shaft. 2 air switches that are already plumbed here and here, so you can run your air. Your slinging station, nothing's really changed up on top. We did put the set screws back in there. Sorry about the glare. I got my cover for the nip rolls. Down here we have both of the static bars up on top, hitting the web. We have plumbed those in for air on both sides. As you can see here, that's for the power. And on this side too, plumbed for air also. Same way with both of those. They move up and down with the top riders. Inside, we have a ground strap on each one of the shafts, so the upper and the lower. We were getting some static buildup and stuff from the shafts. That pretty much eliminates those. We also went through and every bolt or every shaft that we have going through here is grounded now. So all of them are linked together. Everything's grounded. Made sure that every little bit kind of helped. So I just want to make sure you knew, what we've done to alleviate all that kind of stuff. There's a regulator here. This is going to be your pressure, or basically it's going to be your air going to the static eliminator bars. So that's that one. There are 2 down here are actually set up for your Venturis. So if you want to increase it, decrease it, those are both down there. There's 2 regulators. We want to get as much flow through there as possible. So actually there's 2 regulators for you. And what else is in here? We got these are for the differential shafts. Back behind here, I'm going to actually take you down below. When the main air comes in here, goes through the water separator, the water bowl, comes out. We're actually teeing it off right there. So there's actually a main line that comes in from here and goes straight to the Venturis. So that one line goes to the Venturis, and then this one kind of goes back up, and this goes back into your machine. So the air pressure you have going into this goes all the way over to your Venturi. So this line, just to give you a heads up, so if you ever have this cover off, there's going to be a cover that goes over the top. If you ever take that cover off, you're going to notice that this airline is actually stiffer and harder than this airline here. Reason being is this airline can handle about 150 psi, where this one can handle about 200 to 250. So all of our machine stuff is going to be the flexible, it's more flexible line, but the main line needs to be that thick stuff, and that's what's running down to your Venturi system. Other than that, controls for the static bars are going to be here. We're wiring those in right now. Actually finally get them hardwired in. I think that's it. I think that's kind of where we're at. We're going to try to get all the photos done with this today and get it over to shipping, so we get it shipped out tomorrow or Friday. Thank you.